Wait, does this actually look like AI? I've been trying to get this kind of character consistency for a while now within a short narrative, and I think I finally found the secret sauce with Pippit thanks to Short Drama Agent. This agent handles all the heavy lifting when it comes to creating a polished narrative, from the cinematic pacing and keeping the characters fully consistent between each scene. This tool is powered by the Dreamina Seedance 2.0 engine we've all been hearing about. Now I'm going to walk you through how I built two different short narratives step by step. Let's dive in. To get started, head on over to Pippit AI. Of course, the link is going to be in the description and pinned comment below as always. I'm on the main interface. Now, all you got to do is punch in your ideas and hit submit. I'm going to come right over to Short Drama Agent right here. Let's try this now. Get a well-crafted short drama in one click, powered by Dreamina Seedance 2.0. We've got two options. We can upload a script or go with the AI script writer. I'm going to go with the latter for the first one. All right, the idea today is simple. We're going to create structured short drama content from the ground up. Scenes, character flow, pacing, story progression, the whole works. I want to create something that pulls attention immediately. It also has to have a story as well. Here's my idea. Feel free to pause the video. Create a cinematic short form drama set in a post-apocalyptic world centered around a young, attractive 20-year-old woman. Feel free to pause the video to read the rest of my idea. And I only want this to be one episode long. Let's click on generate. And in no time at all, we have a rough script outline. We're going with a lone survival, beautiful apocalypse, an unseen predator, psychological thriller, survival horror, and then our story synopsis, including our story background. This is all looking good to me. I'm going to confirm the script. Let's confirm a few settings. Going with a live action, cinematic high contrast, and I want 16:9 aspect ratio. Let's confirm. Now our script is fully fleshed out. The script outline is ready to go, and I'm going to click on continue. Next up, roles and scenes. We've got two roles, Alina, our main character, and then the hunter. If we want to make any changes, just click on the asset. I can click on edit, and I can regenerate or replace. Let's come over to scenes. And then here's our scenes. We've got Alina's apartment and then the general hospital. Under general hospital, I actually have two different scenes. I have an inside shot and then an outside shot. Let's click on continue. Okay, we've got episode 1, a footprint in the ash. I'm going to select this, clicking right here, and then generate shooting the script. Alrighty, let's open this up. All right, here's the entire creation broken down. Before we generate every scene, we've got our characters, we've got the scenes, then we have the entire episode breakdown as well. Everything's looking great to me. I'm going to click select at the bottom, select all, and then batch generate. All right, here we go. Each scene has been individually generated. Now, if I want to edit the scene or regenerate, I can do that. Now, the impressive part is that Pippit goes ahead, builds the sequence, the story, and the progression, and that's the key difference.
It's just the wind. The building is old.
I'm going to switch things up for the next demo. So let's click on Short Drama Agent. This time, I'm going to upload a script. So I'm going to drag and drop right here. Let's hit Analyze. All right, Pippit has analyzed my script. So I've got a full script outline ready to go. For my vision, I'm going to have the protagonist fall asleep and we're going to live inside of their dream and someone's going to be coming after them. Then they're going to wake up at the end of the dream. Let's click continue. Just like last time, we've got our roles and scenes. So we've got a protagonist and then the antagonist as well. For the scenes, we have a shot of a bedroom and then an unknown space mage, which is going to represent the dream setting. Now we have all of our clips stitched together to create our episode.
You're almost there.
I mean, just look at the texture on this. The way the light hits the skin and the movement, this actually feels like a real film. And the best part is that the character stays exactly the same inside every single shot without me having to fix anything. This is honestly a game changer. So here's the main takeaway. The short drama agent within Pippit focuses on generating stories. You're not just creating visuals. You're actually creating something that has structure, flow, and captures attention. If you want to try this out for yourself today, I'll have the link in the description and pinned comment below. Be sure to test out a few ideas, try different story types out, and see what kind of content you can actually create. And I'm actually curious what kind of stories you end up creating with this platform. You can access the short drama agent powered by Dreamina Seedance 2.0 on Pippit right now. And with all that, good luck and have fun with your creations.